What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Link in the description for the merchandise. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers, so I appreciate it if you guys all subscribe, like the video. Let's get this started.
Out of body with the flow. They wanted more. I give them more.
Long time no see on the Rocket Bunny Civic. Been pretty busy. I bagged the back. Shout out to BJ. He took those to work and got those tapped and dyed and new threads for the fittings because they had leaks. And that was the only situation that I had with them. Now that I got that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off the over fenders and I'm gonna cut the wheel wells so that way we can start tucking these wheels in. Some of this stuff. This ain't gonna go no more. Jump on the back of it. Yeah, it's already bottomed out. Them wheel spacers and push this wheel out. I wanted that weather stripping still to close.
It's mine.
So that way it seals the inside. Alright guys, so I went ahead and took off this over fender already. I already have it marked. What I did was took this, goes over the tire pretty good, and then pretty much just rounded around it to where I marked the outside of it. I'm gonna cover up that airbag real quick, start cutting on this one. right here is just a touching a little bit. That's really no issue. It should clear. Oh yeah. Car moves and it doesn't even touch nothing. Nothing rubs. So as far as how low it is in the back, underneath, that's how low it is underneath. Let me put this other side on real quick, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, we cut out everything in back on both sides. We'll get some weather stripping or weld it up so that way it doesn't have no issues leaking or anything. Also seal it from the inside. Both these doors are pretty good because the seal for the door for the weather stripping, a good contact seal. And it still rolls with no issues. If the bags ever go out or if I ever have an issue with blowing a bag or something like that, I'll be at least able to get it off the side of the road or something. It just won't slam and stay on the spot that it's at. I'll do more updates with the rear for you guys, seal the inside and weld the back and be done with it. I got some stuff over here for a little DIY on the side skirts for this. Look for another video on that. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
Break it down low, take it to the ground. I'ma break it down right now. How you do it? Like I'm used to you, fucking do you? So I can do it, can't do it, can't get it, go. Run it up, get it up, get it up. Weed like a rust, smoke weed like a rust. She call me Papa, she call me Papa. Tell me spurs like buckets, spurs like bucket. You know they can't stop us, you know they can't stop. Keep my mind at ease.